Question number 1251, average selling price. So there is a table called prices table and there is a table called units sold table, two tables, and we need to find out the average selling price for each product. Okay, average price should be rounded to two decimals, which they are asking, and they are asking if a product does not have any sold units, its average selling price should be assumed as 0. Okay, so I'll tell you what does we have to do, what we have to do. So here if you see average selling price explanation, total price of the product by number of products sold. Okay, for example, if you take product number 1, okay, are sold between start and end dates with two different dates. Okay, price is 5 and price is 20. Okay, product 1 is sold between these dates are for rupees 5. For second, these dates rupees 20. Okay, so now if you consider that, okay, now first product 1 average selling price is units we have taken 100 into 5 for these dates. So 100 into 5, okay, plus same product is sold between these dates with 20 price with falling under this purchase date 15. So 15 into 20, okay, so which will be 500 plus 300. Okay, total units we have to do because we want the average selling price. So 300 500 plus 300 by total sum of units, which is 100 plus 15, which is 115. So which will be 6.96. The same calculation is done for product 2 also. This is the logic. Okay, now how will you write the SQL query for this? Okay, the SQL query is basically very simple. You need to calculate the sum of units into price by sum of units as your average price. Okay, so you have to round off, right? So you need to put round off. We have to write sum of units into price. Okay, by sum of units. Okay, this is your logic. You need to round off to two decimals. So you close this one logic, entire logic you have to close. You put, sorry, you have to put sum of units, comma, to close this entire round function. You write it as average price. Okay, as average price. So on you have to join these two tables, right? You should be left join. So this should be select. We want product ID, comma, this column you want average price, which is I already calculated. So when there are any where there are any product does not selling, you have to be handled as 0. So if there is any null values, so is telling if null function, basically if null we have to handle with 0. Okay, this and all comes as average price, okay. And where condition you put purchase date should fall, it should fall between the start and end date. Okay, where your purchase date of this table between start date and end date. Okay, okay, select PID if null of this thing, where purchase ID between this and this one. I didn't write join, sorry. Select this one, comma this one, from prices table P, left join units table U, where this one and this logic you have to write group by, because you are doing group by product ID. Okay, this is your solution. Just try in lead code and go to the discuss part. You can see the same kind of explanation over there, or you can see in the solutions part also. So this will be helpful. Thank you.